Ma. Ming. Video. Hi guys, once again, this is Melissa and welcome to another vlog. For today's episode, I'm going to show you our hotel room. So we are in Davao right now and we checked in at Apple View Hotel. So let's go. This is our room 586. As you enter the door, you can see the dresser. So there. And they also have like free coffee, bottled water, and a personal fridge. This is their shower room, the mirror, and my mom. So this is my mom's. This is their toilet, and they also have a tub, the towels, and their shower. There you go. On this side, you can see we have a twin bed and the human-sized mirror. So they also have a vanity section, another mirror, and their LED TV. My mom, the most powerful woman in the world. And this is the view, their pool area. So we are going to stay here for 3 nights. We actually arrived last night, but then again, I'm too tired to vlog, so I'm starting the vlog today. Hello. Ma. Okay, sweetheart. I'm eating it. I am. Oh yeah. I'm gonna ask Aya to eat a lot though. It's so expensive. She's always hungry. Ming, magsalakad ba? Ming!